Hello everyone, this is Delina of Chantos Corporation Limited. Today I will introduce woodworking tools to you. Wood auger bit. It is divided into no stem type and middle stem types. Look, this one is middle stem types.
The single wing cutting edge make faster, discharging quicker, smoother while in drilling, and the drilling is accurate.
Great, simple, quick, and easy. The auger bit length is 230 mm to 460 mm. The diameter is 6 mm to 35 mm. Look, this one is 8 mm. And this one is 10 millimeters. This one is 20 millimeters. Of course, look, this one.
This is a 16 mm auger gel bit.
This one.
This is the 16 mm too.
Of course, look.
This is a hexagon auger gel bit.
Of course, we also have other shanks. For example, quick change shank and SDS plus shank. The flute also have many types. This one is black flute. We also have 4 flutes and red flute and yellow flute. Of course,
we have many package. Next, please look our package and see.